proud to say it was given me the day I was born. Want to know about the stories of the empire?
Vietnam is spectacular. I am enjoying this country like never before. I came here 17 years ago
All I know
and I came back and I am loving it.
a field by love.